come with me to a solo date. Matcha sea salt. Sobrang hangin. Like, ang ganda. So for today's agenda, pupunta lang ako ng coffee shop. So samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go. Wait lang, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating music. So magpapa-music muna ako guys. Wait lang. Matcha sea salt. Tapos about sa photo booth mo, how much? Maybe 100. Guys, I got their matcha sea salt and super sarap. Try nyo to. Then yung cookies nila guys, masarap din. Sobrang hangin. Like, hindi ko expect guys, may photo booth pala sila. Guys, nandito na ako sa car and actually, it's my second time sa Mono. So guys, yung order ko dati matcha latte but ngayon, tinry ko yung matcha sea salt nila. Mga pictures ko kanina. So insert ko na lang dito. So ayan, I love it. So nice. Look at that. Ladies, treat yourself. So mag-solo date kayo, mag-me time, mag-muni-muni. Comment down below if you want to see more solo dates. Yeah, let's go home.